Hey there, Linux lovers. Ton Does Linux and More is back with another exciting update for you. Today, we're diving into the latest release of the Linux kernel, version 6.14. And trust me, this one is packed with features that will make every Linux enthusiast smile. First up, let's talk about some of the game-changing features. If you're a gamer using Wine for emulation, you'll love the new NSYNC subsystem for smoother synchronization with Windows NT primitives. Plus, AMD Ryzen AI NPUs now have their own accelerator driver. This is huge for AI workloads on Linux. Linux 6.14 also brings better hardware support across the board. Raspberry Pi devices now have improved power management for suspend and resume transitions, perfect for DIY projects. And gamers rejoice. SteelSeries Arctis 9 wireless headsets are now supported alongside Xbox One controllers like the Nacon EvolX. For developers, there's 5.12 support for signing kernel modules and extended CLinux permissions for tighter security. Rust fans will appreciate continued updates for building the kernel using stable Rust features. It's clear that Linux is doubling down on developer tools. Networking improvements include jumbo packet transmission in RxRPC sockets and IPsec support for IPTFS AgFrag encapsulation, perfect for high-performance applications. And if you're running servers on Intel's Clearwater Forest processors, you're covered too. So there you have it. Linux kernel 6.14 is here with something for everyone. Whether you're a gamer, developer, or just love tinkering with hardware, this release has you covered. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Ton Does Linux and More for more updates like this. See you next time.